Good cloudy Monday morning. What is it, about 8:30 a.m.? So, calm before the storm. We're supposed to get 3 inches of snow today. Believe that? So, guess I ain't gonna be working out here. And got my water bill the other day, and the city had a little insert in here that they're gonna be walking around issuing tickets. So, I gotta clean some of this mess up. That's May 2nd though, so I got a couple weeks. So I'm gonna get this little bit of copper picked up, take this down there, and maybe take that thing downstairs and whack that up with the grinder. The other stuff I don't care about. So my yard was paying $3.30 for number 2 copper. And my yard manager got with me this morning and said he'd give me $3.55. So for those buckets I showed you the other day, that's $750 for just a copper. So, but I have a lot more I want to add to it, so I just really don't know what to do with it. Whether get rid of it or sit on it. I really need to kind of get rid of it because funds are getting low. But at the same time, maybe I should get rid of it. I don't know. So, I got a few things I want to put downstairs, work on those today. Probably going to do a couple towers. 1 minute. Because I want to get these done. Because I want to try next week to go to board sort. We'll see what happens there. If not, first week of May maybe. I don't know. But got a lot to do and got to get it going here. Got to get back in the routine of getting up early. So, I was actually up early today. Hey, look at that. We'll grind that off of there. So yeah, we'll get it going here. Just had to get a little organized and see where we're at. See where we are at. Need to. This gold's been in here for like 2 weeks now. Give it a shaky shake. So yeah, they're saying 38 degrees today, but snow. I don't know how that works. Up north, like where Everything Spicy lives, I think they're getting a little bit more than us. And Saturday, it is going to be 75 degrees. So figure that out too. I don't know. Crazy. There's a couple good hard drives in here. There's a 3 terabyte one in here somewhere. Right here. 3 terabytes. So I put these on the side, see if my computer guy wants, or computer guy wants them. These are just garbage ones. Pull the boards off. I thought I saw Earl in the door there, but no, that must be hallucinating. But yep. So that's my plan. Just gonna try and oh, he was in the door. Hey. Meow. You want to come out? Your ass can stay out here. You can definitely stay out here. I don't know what the hell I was talking about. It happens when you get old. You forget. That should be heavy enough, huh? Oh, let me see my buddies out here. I hear something. I hear something. Oh, he yells at me. Hey! Here he comes. What are you doing? Oh, what? What? The box had him blocked. So. Alright, well, I guess I'll get to work. See what I get done. Maybe tomorrow I'll do a live stream. I said maybe. Don't get excited. Brissy boy. Brissy boy. I'll do one today, but I got too much moving around and stuff to do, so. Everyday solar. She loves that copper. Any more down there? I don't even know what's over here. Oh. A big hunk of aluminum. Just knock that shaft off. There you go. A couple more pounds. I don't know if I'll get to 1,111 pounds like Simple Man, but if Simple Man would move to the U.S., he would have had a whole $1,000 more. And he's always trying to get me to move to Greece. See? Bring your ass over here. Get back. Chicken head. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get to work. Babbled long enough. Got that grinder. Maybe I'll grind that shit off too. We'll see. So, you guys have a good day. Stay safe. Appreciate y'all. I will talk to you all later. Just